I got enough on my mind that when she pulls me by the hair, she hasn't much to hold on to. She keeping count on her hand, 1, 2, 3 days that I've been sleeping on my side. I finished kissing my dad, so now I head back up the steps, thinking about where I've been. I mean, the sun was never like this. I wanna feel with season. I guess it makes sense, cause my life's become as vapid as a night out in Los Angeles, and I just wanna stay in bed and hold you like I used to. You know that I am home. So darling, if you love me, would you let me know? Or